Hey, I'm CJ Summers. Come on, let's go do our nails. So I'm gonna choose this one. It fits my nail. These rip apart pretty easily. So I'm gonna put it right there. Yep, that's gonna be the one. Peel off this orange strip, that's the top. Then I'm gonna peel it off the backing, and you can touch it. And then I'm just going to place it on my nail. Not up to your cuticle, but as close as you can get without touching your skin. And you just kind of rub it. And then you use your thumbnail as your tool. Ready to blow your mind. And it's done. And then you turn it around, pull off this little edge, and do your other ring finger. Okay, remember? Now that was a little bit over to the side, and that's okay. I can actually move it because it's 100% nail polish. It's not going to affect your nail. You just push it on there, right? Use your thumb as your tool. And guys, it's done. You can push it down a little bit under so that it kind of goes over the edge, but that's it. Hello, let's try them.